Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this box of M2 machines, and I received this box last week. As you can see, it's Maui and Sons series, a bit of a surf environment type of cars. So let's have a look at these. The first one is a Volkswagen Delivery Van from 1960 with MP equipment livery on it, and it looks a bit like the model from Hot Wheels. It's a bit the same idea. Like the rims on this piece. They are limited to 6,000 pieces worldwide. MP equipment. There you have the back side. It's a nice piece. Next one. That's quite a new model of M2 machines, this one. Also 6,000 pieces with the surfboard on top. And it's 1944 Jeep. So you have three cars that are VWs, and the other cars are a bit of more of a surf theme cars. I think they did a good job on this Jeep. Let's have a look at the back. There it's in focus. Okay, next one. There you have your Beetle from MP Equipment without a front bumper. I checked this one if it was not missing, but it's they made it this way without the bumper. Nice rims, nice racing Beetle. Beetle Deluxe USA model from 1956. Also 6,000 pieces. There you can see also the bumper is not mounted. It's supposed to be this way. As a race version. Okay, next one. Another surf bus or van, and I do like this one very much with the livery. That's a very nice van. I do like this van, the Econoline van from 1965. Very nice graphics on this one. There you have the front. I'm quite fond of these kind of fans from this age. Also the Dodge A100. There you have the back side. And the top, they put some sellotape on top of this one to hold the surfboard, and I think it's best if you have these to take it loose, otherwise it will damage the paint. Okay, next one. A very nice bus. Also from MP Equipment. MP Equipped. Also very nice livery on this one. Bit of a 60s look. There's the front of the bus. Very nice, this T1. This is the first model from the Volkswagen Transporter 1 T1. Nice rims. Let's have a look at the back. And the top. Great piece, this one. Okay. The next one, and also last but not least, one of my favorite ones. It's a Chevrolet 150 Handyman station wagon from 1957, and I really like this dirt look. Also the surfboard is attached with some tape, so I will take this one out and free the surfboard from the car, because I don't want the sellotape to damage the car. And I believe this is the chase, if there is a chase in there, and this one has gold rims. And I think there are two versions of chases. One is a clean one with golden rims, and one is a dirty one with golden rims. So there is a difference. There you have the back side. Very nice. I think this is a great set. 3 surfboard cars and 3 MP equipped cars, Volkswagens. So there you have your top. So that's my review. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you at the next time. Bye.